N10204 certification is a crucial aspect in the manufacturing and distribution of nickel alloy bars. Nickel alloys are widely used in industries such as aerospace, chemical processing, and marine engineering due to their exceptional corrosion resistance and high-temperature properties. In order to ensure the quality and reliability of these bars, N10204 certification plays a significant role. To penetrate the European nickel alloy bars market, we successfully obtained ISO 9001 and N10204 3.1, certified from TÜV Nordic GmbH since 2021, including Inconel 600 625 7 weight, Incolloy 330OB 800 825 alloy bars. More information? Welcome to visit www.pmisteel.com. N10204 certification provides a standardized method for demonstrating compliance with specified requirements, including chemical composition, mechanical properties, and dimensional tolerances. It serves as a guarantee that the nickel alloy bars meet the necessary standards and specifications for their intended application. There are several types of N10204 certificates, each indicating different levels of testing and inspection. Type 3.1, Inspection Certificate indicating compliance with specified requirements based on in-house testing and inspection by a third-party authority. Type 3.2, Inspection Certificate indicating compliance with specified requirements based on independent testing and inspection by a third-party authority. N10204 certification not only ensures the quality of nickel alloy bars, but also facilitates international trade by providing a recognized standard for documentation and traceability. It allows customers to make informed decisions and minimizes the risk of product failure or non-compliance with regulatory requirements. In conclusion, N10204 certification is essential for ensuring the quality, reliability, and compliance of nickel alloy bars with specified requirements. It provides confidence to manufacturers, distributors, and end users alike, enabling them to meet their performance objectives while maintaining the highest standards of safety and quality. PMI Industry, a professional global supplier based in China specializing in nickel alloy bars. For further information on nickel alloy bars applications and insights, welcome to visit www.pmisteel.com or contact our sales team at sales@misteel.com.